Table, right? Come. Main port. This is air pressure pipe. Normally we require 4 to 6 kgs pressure. Put inside here. Anchor. As pressure comes in the machine, we remove the emergency button. Like this. As emergency off, the machine will be on the manual mode. So we can use the pedal. The manual mode, automatic mode. This is a sensor. We can set the volume with the help of sensor, moving forward direction like this and moving backward direction like this. The maximum volume will be the material here and the minimum volume will be the here. We can set like this. This is inlet pipe. And suction will be the here, and this is outlet pipe.